to the next topic, which is equally important. 5 hours ago, lumabas ang balita na si former mayor ng Quezon City, Herbert Bautista, ay naakusahan, found guilty of
Sentensyahan.
graft.
Nasentensyahan.
Yan. And yun, tama. Nasentensyahan na talaga ng graft. At, ano daw, guilty beyond reasonable doubt. Ano ba ibig sabihin
Open.
yun? Ano ibig
Open
sabihin
and
nun?
ginawa niya talaga. Pero, okay, open and shut case yan. Hindi
Yeah,
na nga
meron
dapat
daw-
pag-usapan yan. Kasi ganito yung nangyari dyan. Bumili sila ng traffic monitoring system.
32
Occupational
million.
traffic.
I have no idea what that is.
Okay. Monitoring system yun. Traffic, occupation. It's a computer system.
Aha.
And the thing there is, walang ordinansa.
O
Yeah,
pinasa,
and-
ibig ko sabihin, yung pinagkasunduan
Walang
ng City Council. Walang
Walang
batas.
batas. Okay? Remember, ang power of the purse is with legislature. So, kailangan merong ordinansa approving the project, allowing the implementation of the project, allocating budget, and actually authorizing the mayor into entering into that project. Wala maski, kaya may ordinansa. Kasi kailangan may authority. Walang ordinansa. O di puta, graft talaga yun. Kulong siya doon. Tapos na yan.